Do you want to start an online t-shirt business? Here's what you'll need. 10 minutes of your time. Some ideas for t-shirt design. And a trial account of Kwikcart. Step 1. Find a trending niche and a winning product. Simply head over to the Facebook ad library and find an ad that you like and get inspiration from that. Step 2. Get a logo and t-shirt design from canva.com. Open canva.com on your browser and create a logo from a template. Once done, head over to Kwikcart and sign up for a trial account. Step 4. Set up your print-on-demand store or funnel using templates. Log into Kwikcart and set up your POD store using 1,000 plus pre-made templates. Step 5. Link your domain and integrate the payment gateway. Simply go to the dashboard and navigate to Domains, Add Domains. Once done, head over to Integrations and choose the payment gateway of your choice. Step 6. Integrate the Printful app and upload your designs. Connect your Printful account with Kwikcart and upload your t-shirt designs. Once you're finished setting up your store, start promoting it and send traffic using various platforms like Facebook and Instagram. And automatically fulfill it by Printful when you receive an order. So what are you waiting for? Start your online t-shirt business with Kwikcart today.